As the tension builds towards the Reggae Boyz' pivotal World Cup qualifier against Curacao, these are the games, these are the moments where the investment made over the years by the JFF in engaging England-born professional players to represent Jamaica. It is for crunch games like this, challenging away fixture against tricky opponents in potentially hostile territory. This is where seasoned professionals with years of experience in the English Premier League or the League Championships, regularly visiting full away stadia, intimidating environment. Many of these players have been there and done that and will routinely shut out the noise and get the job done. This Reggae Boyz team is made for those moments, and this is part of the reason why the Maverick is so confident in this particular mission, a thing called the intangible. See them there? The intangible. See that? Big intangible, small intangible. You can see the intangible? You can see it? Watch the intangible. The intangible. See that?